Welcome back to Tech Machine crabs, a delicacy enjoyed all over the world. Begin their journey from the depths of the ocean. But what happens after they are caught? In today's episode of Tech Machine, we'll take you inside the fascinating world of crab processing, where these crustaceans are prepared for markets and restaurants across the globe. The journey begins with skilled fishermen. Using specialized traps, they catch crabs that are then transferred to boats. Each crab is inspected for size and quality to ensure only the best make it to the processing plant. Once the crabs are sorted, they are placed into temperature-controlled containers and transported to the factory. Time is critical. Crabs must arrive fresh to maintain their quality and taste. At the factory, the crabs are quickly unloaded and moved onto conveyor belts. Here, they undergo their first process, cleaning. High-pressure water jets are used to wash off any dirt or debris before the crabs are sorted by size and type. Next comes the cooking process. Crabs are typically boiled or steamed to lock in their flavor and to ensure they're safe for consumption. This step must be carefully timed. Overcooking can affect the texture, while undercooking could leave harmful bacteria. Once cooked, the crabs are cooled rapidly to prevent spoilage. After cooling, they head to the deshelling station. Some crabs are processed whole, while others are cracked open to extract the prized crab meat. Workers and machines work in tandem to remove shells while keeping the meat intact. After deshelling, the meat is inspected for quality before being packaged. Depending on the destination, the crab may be canned, frozen, or vacuum sealed. Each package is labeled with essential information, including the catch date and origin. Quality control is an essential part of the process. Every batch of crab is tested to ensure it meets safety standards. Inspectors check for texture, flavor, and any potential contaminants to guarantee that only the highest quality products reach consumers. Once packaged, the crab products are shipped to distributors, restaurants, and markets all around the world. Some are sent fresh, while others are frozen for longer shelf life. From factory to table, the crab processing industry ensures that customers enjoy the freshest, safest products possible. And there you have it, the intricate process that brings crabs from the ocean to your plate. The next time you enjoy this delicious seafood, you'll know the journey it took to get there. Thanks for watching this episode of Tech Machine. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more behind-the-scenes looks at manufacturing processes. Stay tuned for more deep dives into the world of technology and production, only here on Tech Machine. Jellyfish, ancient, mesmerizing creatures that have lived in our oceans for over 500 million years. But did you know they're also a key ingredient in various delicacies and products worldwide? Today, we're diving deep into the fascinating world of jellyfish processing, from ocean to factory. The journey begins in coastal waters where jellyfish thrive. Skilled fishermen carefully harvest these marine creatures using nets designed to capture jellyfish without damaging their delicate bodies. Jellyfish season typically lasts from summer to early autumn, with large quantities collected during these months. Once caught, the jellyfish are immediately sorted based on size and quality. On the boat, they undergo an initial cleaning process to remove excess water and impurities. This step is crucial to preserve the jellyfish's texture and flavor. After sorting and cleaning, the jellyfish are packed in temperature-controlled containers and transported to the processing facility. Maintaining the right conditions during transportation is essential to ensure freshness. At the factory, the jellyfish undergo a critical transformation process. They are first dehydrated on large drying racks, a method that has been used for centuries. After this, they are salted multiple times to remove water and enhance their shelf life. This salting process can take several days, during which the jellyfish are repeatedly drained and salted. Once dehydrated and salted, the jellyfish are ready for secondary processing. They are cut into various sizes, depending on the intended use, whether for culinary purposes or cosmetic products. The jellyfish are then packaged carefully to be shipped to markets worldwide. The processed jellyfish is primarily used in Asian cuisine, where it's prized for its unique texture and ability to absorb flavors. But jellyfish are also finding their way into new applications, such as skincare products due to their collagen content. From the depths of the ocean to factories around the world, jellyfish continue to surprise us, not just with their beauty, but with their versatility. The next time you see jellyfish on a restaurant menu or a skincare product, you'll know the incredible journey they've been on. Thanks for joining us on this fascinating journey. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Tech Machine for more behind-the-scenes looks at how everyday products are made.